Hello guys, welcome to Carton Box. In this video, I'll share my experience of the display issue where I had a green line from top to bottom in my VIVO smartphone. If you are new to this channel, watch all our videos, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for instant notification. Okay, I have been using this VIVO X60 Pro as my primary phone, which I bought it on Flipkart, and I have been using this for a while. Suddenly one day, after placing the phone on the table and after taking my phone back, I got a green line in my mobile from top to bottom. That's so weird, right? Coming out of nowhere. I checked if it could be some of the software issue and I restarted multiple times and still it's not working. I searched online and found that many other mobile brand users are also facing the same issue on their smartphones. It's again a significant issue booming up silently on all the smartphones. I went to a nearby VIVO smartphone service center and they asked me for the purchase details receipt of the smartphone and they checked if the warranty period was still there for my phone. Thank God it was coming under warranty. And they said you need to change the display for this phone and they don't have the display with them right now. They'll place an order for this display and they said they would call me once they receive the display. Here comes the main part on the terms and conditions they said. Once they receive the display, they will open my smartphone and check if there is any liquid or physical damage to my smartphone. If so, I need to pay money from my side. When I inquired about replacing it with cost, they told me it would cost around 12,000 rupees for my VIVO X60 Pro. I told them for 12,000 rupees I could buy a new smartphone itself and adjust with a single green line. After 2 days, they called me and said that the display had been received and they would hold it for display for 3 days. After 3 days, if any other service center needs that, they will return it, it seems. I went on the very next day and they checked my phone with no physical or liquid damage issues. And they immediately changed the smartphone's display and asked me to check. It worked perfectly as well. Thanks to the VIVO service center for changing the display of my smartphone with free of cost. I would say like mobiles with this issue which do not come under warranty also, the customer service center should take forward and change the display with no cost to their customers who don't have any physical or liquid damage. If you are also facing this issue, please check with your nearby authorized service center and check with them whether they can able to change the display with free of cost. Or is there any other way to fix this issue? Because this issue is not it's suddenly coming, it's not because of this accidental or liquid damage which is caused by us most of the times. Alright, if you also face this issue, please leave your experience in the comment box so it will be helpful for others as well. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Carton Box and press the bell icon. Hope this video helps you. See you guys in yet another video. Thank you.